Today I'm making cheesy bacon bombs, and I'm going to start by cutting up some mozzarella cheese into about 1-inch squares. And I have some bacon and Grand's biscuits, and I'm using the Grand's flaky. So after you get all of the biscuits out, you can go ahead and cut those into quarters. And don't be tempted to leave them in halves, because after you fry these, if it's a half of a biscuit, the biscuit dough will still be very doughy. Because if you think about it, you've wrapped that in bacon, and so it's a little more difficult for the biscuit dough to become done. So just use a quarter of the biscuit, flatten it out, add the cheese, and then just wrap the cheese and seal the ends together. And then after you get all of those done, then you can begin wrapping those with the bacon. You'll also need to have some toothpicks on hand to hold these together after you get them wrapped with the bacon. And right now is a good time to go ahead and preheat your oil. You'll need probably 3 to 4 inches of oil in a pan, and you want that to be at least 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, you'll want to use an entire slice of bacon because, as we all know, bacon shrinks up tremendously, and I did try using half a slice of bacon, and that just did not work as well. So use a whole slice, wrap it one way, and then kind of turn it to take it over the other way. And I'm just snipping off some overhanging fat there that just didn't need to be. So then you're going to secure that with a toothpick and put that in your oil. Like I said, it should be at least 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Those will float to the top. And after they're brown and you can see the bacon is done, you can just go ahead and move those to a rack. And I do recommend moving them to a wire rack, because with the cheese they may stick to a paper towel. So then let these cool and enjoy. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.